Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to HTO Park, a unique and modern urban park located in the heart of Toronto, Ontario, right along the beautiful Lake Ontario waterfront. This park is a creative blend of nature and design, offering a refreshing escape from the city's hustle and bustle. HTO Park is known for its innovative landscape, featuring a series of winding paths, lush greenery, and striking water features. One of the park's most distinctive elements is its beach, which is a sandy area where visitors can relax and enjoy the sun. The park's design reflects Toronto's commitment to creating inviting public spaces that connect people with nature. The park's location is perfect for those who love being near the water. It offers stunning views of Lake Ontario and the Toronto Islands, providing a serene backdrop for your visit. HTO Park is a popular spot for both locals and tourists who come to enjoy the scenic views, take a leisurely stroll, or simply unwind in a peaceful setting. As you explore HTO Park, you'll find plenty of opportunities for relaxation and recreation. The park is equipped with seating areas, making it a great place to sit back and enjoy the surroundings. It's also a fantastic spot for a bike ride with its smooth paths and beautiful scenery. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, take in the views, or enjoy a leisurely bike ride, HTO Park offers a modern and inviting space to relax and connect with the beauty of Toronto's waterfront. Thanks for watching.